India ge awang nongpok lamdamda hauzik oiriba security ge phibam ase yengbada yumlon nariba laibak singa tuna yengba mathok tai haina Assam Rifles ge Director General Lieutenant General PC Nair na phongdokre Silong dang ase news agency ANI da wapam ase phongdokladuna PC Nair na makhata na hai awang nongpok lamdam ase Bhutan Myanmar China Bangladesh amasung Nepal ga yumlonai hairiba laibak sing asida maru oina ngamkhaida karigumba thogdo wathok ama thokpa matamda awang nongpokta madugi Saphu ama adumak lakani masigi maru oiba maramde common oiba ngamkhai amasung ethnicity laiba asina oiribani
because of the common land borders, because of the common ethnicity that is shared. So if you look at it currently, Bangladesh of course has got a small problem now, which I'm sure they will be able to resolve. It's a small problem of that reservation, but the larger problem lies in Myanmar. Ever since the dispensation changed in Myanmar, there has been a huge impact on the northeast in terms of movement of insurgent groups, movement of contraband, movement of weapons. So those have surely impacted, and added to that is the current situation that is there in Manipur since the 3rd of May last year, last 16-17 months. That has also impacted. Because whatever has happened in Manipur or whatever happens in Manipur doesn't get restricted to Manipur. Obviously, there is a propensity of that having a spillover effect in the neighboring states also. So, if you ask me in one line as to what is the overall situation, security situation, it is quite okay. Nothing great in terms of insurgency. Yes, there are cases in terms of move of contrabands. Yes, there are cases of move of militants to the camps which are across, also coming this side. So these kind of things have been happening for long periods of time. So surely nothing alarming.
Yeah. So